As an employer, you know the importance of attracting and retaining high-quality employees. Providing employee benefits such as health and life insurance are typical examples. But did you know that 70% of Americans will need some form of assisted care in their lifetime? What can your employees do to ensure that something like this does not financially ruin them after working so hard for so many years? And where do they go to get this protection? The answer is simple. They purchase a new long-term care plan through you, their employer. Just like the extra life insurance that employees often purchase at work, the majority of long-term care policies are purchased at the job site, not directly through an individual agent. It has the same features as the life insurance in that it is portable when they leave. They can customize their own plan, and there can be underwriting concessions when purchased in a group setting. Now let's address a few myths your employees probably have about long-term care insurance. Myth number 1. I don't need it. It is a fact that 70% of all Americans will need some form of assisted care in their lifetime, and 45% of them will be under the age of 65. The fact is that there is a much higher chance that someone you love will need assisted care at some point in their life than something happening to your car or home. Yet virtually everyone has insurance protection in place for one of those. Doesn't it make even more sense to protect your future in case of accident or illness? Myth number 2. I've got it taken care of. Did you know that the average cost for home health aides to help you in your home is a whopping $40,000 in North Carolina and even more in many states? The cost of an assisted living center is over $70,000 a year. Most people do not account for this in their planning. This is something that Medicare doesn't cover, and most people do not plan for. Long-term disability policies are designed to replace a percentage of lost income and will not be sufficient to cover the extra cost of assisted care. How fast will you go through your life savings at those costs? Myth number 3. I can't afford it. The new long-term care insurance may be the most affordable insurance you can buy. For example, a 45-year-old can protect $100,000 of assets for under $176 a year. A 55-year-old can protect the same $100,000 for as little as $255 a year. If you wait until age 65, the cost goes up to $488 per year. So you can see that the younger you are, the less the cost is. The great part is that you will always pay the rate for the age at which you bought the policy. So the premium will not go up for that policy because you get older, and the benefits do not decrease with age. What if you could offer your employees a benefit that would protect them if they or their spouse needed assisted care, and it would not eat up all of their savings? With long-term care insurance from Carolina Insurance Market, you can, and it doesn't have to be expensive to you or your employees. Plus, we make this valuable service easy for you to offer by providing the education and enrollment services to you and your employees. Long-term care insurance from Carolina Insurance Market can be offered to your employees and their spouses at group rates with limited underwriting, and the cost of the insurance is paid by the employees, so there is no cost to you. Employees who sign up for new long-term care insurance are protecting their retirement assets. Benefits are paid to them in cash, even if they're collecting retirement, Social Security, long-term disability, or any other type of benefit, and it will not reduce any other benefits that they are receiving. The new long-term care plans. Long-term care insurance is tax-free income. Cash is paid out each month the employee is on a claim. It is also available to an employee, spouse, or care partner at group rates, and there's a 30% discount if an employee's spouse applies and is approved. A plan that may be offered to dependents, parents, and siblings. A return of premium feature is available that will return up to 75% of the premium at death if the benefit isn't used. A guarantee of future purchase offers allows you to purchase up to 15% more benefit every 3 years regardless of your health up to age 80. You can build a family plan with your spouse through the shared care option. And the plan is portable, meaning they can take it with them and the rates do not change. If you offer an healthcare savings account as part of your medical plan, long-term care premiums are an eligible expense and can be paid with those pre-tax dollars. It is a fact that long-term care is the only benefit that will protect an employee and their assets, regardless of their age, And Carolina Insurance Market offers long-term care insurance from the best companies in the industry. Long-term care is a valuable addition to any employee benefit program because it's a great benefit while requiring no extra cost or hassle to the employer. As you can see, it's a no-brainer. Why wouldn't you make this available to your employees? Contact us today at 704-896-1919 or info@carolinainsurancemarket.com so that you can add this great benefit so that you can help your employees protect their future.